going on, YouTube? It's been a while since I've been on the channel. A lot has happened since the last time I posted an actual video. I no longer have the Supra. I gotta explain that, and I'll do that in another video for a good reason. But right now it's about a walk around of the LC, which I haven't done, which I should have done a few months ago. Added a new lip kit, new wheels. Hopefully you guys will like this setup compared to the purple wheels. I like it a lot. So let's get to it. Again, I have to apologize for the wind. This is Thanksgiving Day. Not that many people are out on the road. First thing that I will talk about is the Novell front lip. It's actually kind of messed up right now. I drive it like 2 or 3 inches off the ground, so I don't know if you can tell. Focus that. Yep, it's broken. It's broken. Not just right here, but on the other side too. I'll get to that side. But yeah, Houston streets, unforgiving. So I have the Novell lip kit, front lip, side splitters, and rear spats. I have a TRD rear spoiler, and I have a Lightspeed Racing VR5 3-piece wheels. They're 21 inches, 21 by 10 in the front, 21 by 11 in the rear. Offset is 20 in the front, 30 in the rear, but I have a 15 millimeter adapter all around. The wheels are actually 5x112. I bought them from a guy on eBay who had a BMW, but for the price of them brand new, I got them for a big steal from him. So I couldn't pass that up. I know it's riding with adapters or spacers, people are, on the edge or on the fence about it, but it's doable. I actually drive my car hard, so it's not that bad. I haven't felt any type of change in the way it rides after adding the adapters. Rides fine with me. I added a eyebrow at the top just to add a little bit of look to the windshield. Don't need it, but I think I'm gonna take it off. I'm actually gonna go ahead and take off the bags and the wheels. Go back to riding on springs because I think I'm done with this car when it comes to the stand scene. I think I just want to enjoy it now. I don't want to worry about anything breaking, like the lip kit, not the car. So I think I'm gonna take the lip kit off, take the bags and wheels off, probably buy TE37s, and then just ride on springs. TE37s and springs, that's it. And that should be good. I'm gonna get on the car, or go further up on the car so you can actually see everything. I'm just doing the walk around for now. Just a walk around, sorry. There have been a few people hitting me up about how the car rides, how does it feel. The way the struts are set up in the front, I can't go that high. I remember telling you in the last walk around video I did. I still haven't adjusted them yet. So I have to ride high on PSI in order to actually get around or move around in Houston. I'm riding on like 140 on the front and like 40 PSI in the rear. Since I got to ride so high in the front on PSI, it's bouncy, it's bumpy. You feel everything in the road. But let's just say I adjusted the struts higher, and then I can ride on the lower PSI the way the struts and bags themselves are not stressed out. I know it'll ride perfectly. With the Air Force struts, they're not bad. I feel like the product does what it's supposed to. It's my fault why it feels like crap when I drive, but hey, I'm used to it. It doesn't bother me. I love the way it drives. Bouncy. that's, you know, what being part of the low life is about. The thing about the Novell kit, this is the lowest kit or lowest front lip that they sell for the LC500. So even if you were at stock height, it will still drop by 3-4 inches in the front. And I know a lot of people who have this car, they scrape. It's such a common thing where they scrape right here, like right along the bottom. Without a lip kit on stock height or factory height, I'm actually not sure why that is. And it's pretty high as a stock vehicle. Good look at the 3-piece wheels. Again, brand or name of the company is Lightspeed Racing. They kind of remind me of Richard's Brixton Forged wheels. But I like the weird direction that it goes. Side splitter for the Novell lip kit. It's actually cracked right about here. If I buy another lip kit, it'll be another Novell kit. But I think I'm just gonna ride wheels with lower springs for now. It comes out or protrudes kind of far from the door. So, you know, somebody who actually needs a lot of space getting out of the car, just make sure you watch right here. Watch right there. Because you might accidentally rip that off when getting out of the vehicle. The rear fins of the Novell kit, I actually originally wanted the Lexus rear diffuser. The Lexus rear diffuser it's a whole removable, you have to remove this whole part, and then it actually has its own fins. But I still don't have an exhaust yet. Once I get an exhaust, then I'll go ahead and buy the rear diffuser. Rear TRD spoiler. This is an authentic spoiler. I got a steal on that too. I think this goes for what, $2 grand? $2 to $3 grand from Lexus. I only bought it for $300 on eBay from another LC500 owner. So I was like, can't pass that up. Let's see. At first, when I looked at pictures of the spoiler, I didn't like it, but in person it looks good. It looks like what the spoilerless LC needed. And then from the back, let's see. Yeah, I know we kind of messed up on the spoiler. And for the management, I went ahead and placed it right here. I copied another LC500 owner, Alex. Shout out to you. Sorry for copying your spot. One day I gotta get somebody to come out here and film me while I drive by for you guys. That roller clip that I just showed is my ride height. That's how high I ride here in the streets of Houston. Yeah, that's probably not a good idea. All right, closer look on ride height. You can see how that lip cracked because of how low I drive. It's a choice. Calm down. You do what you want to with your car, your LC. I'll do what I want with mine. So what, 2.5 inches off the ground, I think. Surprisingly, I haven't destroyed anything under the car. Not the exhaust, not the oil pan. Yeah, this is ride height. That's ride height for me. This car is so damn beautiful, man. It's so beautiful. That's it for today's video. I'll post another video about what happened with the Supra and why I got rid of it. And then I'll do another video about the ISF that I bought. Hopefully you guys have a good day. Until next time, stay tuned.